Drop it.
What's going on, guys? How you doing? All right. Now, if you guys saw that Twitter drop, right? We called that SPY reversal surgically. No, not just randomly, surgically. Now, I I don't know. It's I'm not doing anything special. It's all about the rules, the levels. Let's get it. Am I feeling better? Yes, Mr. J. I'm feeling better. Dr. Gwendun, good morning. Actually, I saw a gentleman in here by the name of Liam. Liam, you here? Liam, where you at? Good morning, Gabe. Sounding better. Hopefully you're feeling better. Yes, I'm feeling better. I had some hacking going on last night, but it actually worked out. Let's see. It worked its way out. Liam, yeah. Liam, so I saw a skit, right? And the daughter asked dad, hey, dad, why did you name our brother Liam? And the father goes, because your mom likes receiving mail. So Liam is mail backwards. And she goes, oh, okay, that makes sense. He was like, no problem, Lana. Oh, man. Oh, man. And welcome to the stream. Oh, man. Okay, got him. All right, let's take a look at what good old Invictus is doing for us today. Right. Nothing really. We got the 3-minute crosses here. We got AVGO, we got BAC. But let's talk about the SPY. I want to talk about the anatomy of my thought process. Okay. So here goes the SPY. Now, I drew this level. Where did this level come from? This level actually came from, we go way back right here. I'm showing you guys where my level came from, right? I saw price consolidating right here. I was like, okay, that's the level. From there, I began to see RSI say, wait a second, we've been beaten the hell down. So my target was essentially, I entered right here at around 380.50 and I got out at 381.85. Now, why did I get out around there? I was expecting a rejection, possibly from these levels here, 382.65. I wasn't expecting it to come all the way up to the 200. But with that being said, you saw the wick come right back down to the 13. My target was essentially the 13. And I made some money. And I know a lot of you guys just made an absolute killing playing the put side all the way down to the level of consolidation. Ladies and gentlemen, levels will make you money. All right? For the guys in the back, for those who are watching the stream, yes, this is a public stream. We just want to show you that, that this isn't pie in the sky. Hey, look at me. Check out this trend line type of trading. This is all about real-time, actionable alerts that give you actionable results. But within the trading curriculum, you understand levels, how to read the indicators, and how to play these reversals. So let's see. Raphael made money on the call. Dope. They are, guy. When SPY hit 380, I almost got 382 calls, but I had to get a shower. Hey, man, look at who cares how you smell? As long as you bathed in some dollar bills, y'all. Okay, Ryan Marshall. So the SPY reversal is played before the RSI is ever near the 50. Yes, because it's coming on up, right? You would have to expect, and we go back to the chart here. I want to show you guys something. You would have to expect being just, this is irresponsibly oversold here. At 19, you could see like all the way down to 15.24 here. It was irresponsibly oversold. So what that's telling me is that, the market is overreacting to something, and it's like dominoes. One domino falls, creates that domino effect, right? And again, this is a zero-sum game, so it's usually first man in, last man out, right? That's the way this game is played. Now, let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Let's see, made 28% on that gold move. Topic, dope. Let's see. Hey, our guy just woke up. Stout, good morning, Gabe. Hope you had a good Christmas. Actually, I did have a good Christmas. I was sick. I'm feeling better now, right? I got my morning coffee. There's no whiskey in here, guys. I am completely sober. I am most of the time, by the way, guys. I'm just naturally just drunk and aloof and a complete degen, right? But you too can be like me, right? And make money. The market is not that complicated. So, guys, what I want you to do is start calling out tickers. Make sure for those who are new to the stream, it cannot be below $10. We can't do below $10. That is a bullshit stock. So let's get into it. Let's see. Did you turn the heat on this weekend? What? Man, it was freezing. It was freezing. Man, I looked like I had Madonna cones. That's how cold it was. Yeah, my liver's having a nice Christmas. All right, let's go ahead and look at, let's do this in order and in all fairness. So first off, we're going to look at Psych, if that's even a ticker, and then we'll get into BABA. Psych, short sale, FINRA. No, come on, really? Interval net apical. We're not even going to do that. Let's just go on over to BABA. Now, let's get on to the 5 minutes. So BABA is, in fact, coming along and coming back to this level. Now, how do we know this is a level? Well, we printed this level some time ago, right? Reversal strategy strikes again on BABA. Fuck your flags. No, we don't do flags. No flags here. All right. So you could see how this level has become significant just by virtue of market open, how she just came up. You see where the wick came up to this blue pill line here. Now, again, this blue pill line is on your charts if you're opening up TradingView on your browser, right? And you could see next candle, it had some more momentum, it breaks through. But now what's happening? Coming right back down to the level. So this is how you play this. RSI, currently, RSI at 51.93. Now, if you have the expectation that she's going to come on down, there's a couple of things you need to look for. We already got the MACD showing light green here. Already showing light green. We're showing the ADX is losing some strength in that momentum. It was elevated because of this move here. Now, again, we're not going to enter this play up until we see RSI break below 50. Once that happens, you see a candle break below, you can enter. Your risk now becomes 89.11. That is your risk, okay? So you're coming down, you're going to take this play. Ideally, your target would be the 48, and your risk, well, it's going to be 89.11. What that means here is that if the play goes against you, you are not going to hold it past 89.11. You do not want the play to work against you. Why? Because there's a whole, you see this is the abyss right here. And that is a whole $2 move from one level to the next nearly. You have to respect the levels, okay? So we're just going to wait for RSI to break below, and we get a candle break below the blue pill line. That's what we're looking for, all right? Miguel says, getting so much better at quick scalps. God, I used to be horrible at that. Ooh, let's see. Thoughts on Ape and AMC? Caden's. All right, Caden, you want to hang out on the stream for some time? Let's go ahead and learn something before I cause emotional damage. If I cause the emotional damage now, you're not going to want to learn anything, okay? So let's get back to the charts here. Love on the daily. Let's see what Love is doing. And Southwest Airlines. STV, did you fly Southwest? No, you flew JetBlue, correct? Okay, so Love here on the daily. Let's see what she's doing. And then we'll check out the community favorite,
Nvidia.
All right, so we got the put here with Southwest. Now, you got to apply some logic here. All right, holiday season's now over. Travel's now over. What are people going to do? They're essentially going to go ahead and hunker down. It's a cold winter out there, guys. They're going to hunker down. Right? There's obviously some news, but you got to go ahead and play common sense here. Now, where is she going? Well, we have to look at levels. We see right here, she just broke beneath this level at 34.36. I probably wouldn't play this on a daily, right? I probably wouldn't play this on a daily simply because RSI is already at 32.87. And although MACD is deep red, maroon red, you know, like baby you can't touch me for 6 nights red, you still want to go ahead and respect the RSI and where it's at right now. And I don't like that setup. What you can do is go ahead and take a look at it here on the 5-minute. She's just really moving flat here, okay? So you got to be careful. I'm not really liking Love, to be honest. I'm not showing any love with Love. All right, now let's go ahead and check out Nvidia. Everybody loves Nvidia. Now, Nvidia seems to have found itself in consolidating, right? Look where the RSI is at. It's moving average. It is coming on up, right? Yeah, this is really, really interesting. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look for a level within 7 trading days to see if we find one, and we don't. So let's go on over to the daily, okay, and see where she is at. So on the daily, RSI still got some room to run, and he finally printed some red on the histogram. So I'm thinking the overall trend with Nvidia is going to be to the downside. Are we talking a $8 to $10 move down to this level? Maybe not. Let's go ahead and see if we can find another one. I actually like the move to 140.55. That's actually a move I do like. Let's see what else. Do we have another level closer? Not necessarily. So 140.55 is a level I like. Not bad. Not bad. So I would be playing Nvidia put side, guys. Remember this: when price action is below the 200 EMA, you are biased to puts. You are biased to puts. All right. If you're going to play a call, such as what we did with the SPY, I'm going to show you guys this. If you played a call, your expectation was up to the 13, which acts as a level. It broke through, then the 200. So the 200 is a God level. So this here, it broke below the 200 EMA, so therefore you were biased to this put. But this reversal, you would have to expect that it was short-lived, right? Because it's coming right into the 200. Now, what we're seeing here is RSI just barely over midpoint here at 50, currently at 53.32. You're printing some green here on the histogram, but I would wait for this play to develop. Otherwise, I do expect a continuation in the downtrend and or some sideways action. All right, it is now 11 a.m. The market made its move. Everybody goes sleepy, and enjoy the fact that they played the right side of the trade, which was to the downside. And it's really, really interesting, right? Because everyone was like, wait, we got the morning pump. And how many times have we seen this in this live stream when you see this gap up here? Let's look at it. You got this gap up here. Everybody's like, Christmas is late. No, it's not. You just got baited. Oh my God. How many times I explained this to you guys? Be careful. When you see moves like this, it's usually a freaking bait. Legendary, you did call the dump last night. Actually, Algo sent me a text yesterday and said, the futures look way overextended. And I took a look and I'm like, you son of a bitch. Yes, you are absolutely right. Thank you for paying attention and following the rules, Algo. It's rug or be rugged. Ah, man. I don't know, man. You guys ever never mind. Never mind. I'm not even gonna go down that rabbit hole. Anyways, let's get some more tickers up here. Let's break it down. We had Nvidia looking like it's going sideways. The SPY came right on up to the 200 EMA. And let's see. Say it. I don't want to say it. I want to stay focused on the tickers. It's been a while that I get to get on a live stream and not have to worry about hacking along. Let's see. Target. What are we doing here? Target. Ooh, Target. Look at her. You guys know what this is. Okay, so Target has, in fact, come up to a level. Let's find it to be a little more exact. So, Target is right in between here. Let's just mark this as a level because we have 144.85 and we got 145.10. So, let's go ahead and just mark this, guys. Go ahead on your trading view and refresh the chart so you can see this. So, what's happening here? I'm expecting a reversal, right? But please don't front run this. You want to see RSI break below its moving average. You already see you've lost some momentum here with the MACD. Now, if you're going to play this reversal when RSI breaks below its moving average, ideally, I wouldn't jump in until I see that RSI aggressively approach 50. But if you are going to play this, now, let me break it down. 144.99 or 145 is your risk. But again, we're not entering this just yet. We are not. We're waiting for RSI to infringe on its moving average and begin to pivot down. Otherwise, you're going to see some consolidation here. But if you do get this reversal, you're looking at 144 being your target. I like that. I like that target. But as it stands right now, RSI, zero fucks given at this point. She is just doing what she wants to do. Now, SPY testing the 13. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the SPY is doing. Yes, she's testing the 13. Now, guys, if the SPY comes down, you know what Target's going to do. I would expect Target to lose steam from where it's at. 17% on Baba, you filthy animal. Let's go ahead and look at this. Ow! Look at that. You know what that is, guys? That's money. That is money. Go ahead and make your money, okay? Like, no hopium, none of that stuff, right? The chart is telling you momentum started thinning. RSI broke below its moving average. Price action followed, came below. You know that break below the blue pill line. Your reward was here at the 48. Woo! Money. Who likes making money? Who likes making money? Raise your hand, please. Just raise your hand. Who likes making money? Okay, we're going to check out AMD. Gotta love Mondays. Wait, no, it's Tuesday. Woo! Okay, so we got AMD here. AMD is also sitting on its 13. That RSI, look what RSI is doing, ladies and gentlemen. It's coming into its moving average, currently below 50. You printed some very thin bars on the MACD. Look at that. It's flickering around. It's going for deep green to light green. It's, can we get a booger? No booger? Okay. So what we want to see again is RSI maintain its trend down. Right now, it's caught in between EMAs. So this thing is literally stuck. As it stands right now, I do not like the play. I do not like the setup. However, if you do get a candle break below 63.68, then absolutely play it and maybe have the 13 as your risk, okay? That's how I would play it. Hey, STV, do you co-sign that, brother? Now, Pepe Sylvia made 10, 15, 20. I'm making money. Ha, ha, ha. Helmo. Okay, anyways, let's go back to the chart here. We got BAC, Bank of America. Let's see. Bank of America is just literally consolidating here. It's got the 200. I'm not doing nothing with this thing until she breaks below the 200. RSI is telling us like, hey, there's no strength. You do have a level here, 32.28. What are the spreads here? I'm really, really curious as to that, but I'm probably not touching Bank of America. The setup is not really there. You have what we call an EMA sandwich. Let's see. SPY close to crossing the RSI. Dope. Let's go ahead and look at Shop and then back to SPY. Shopify, what we doing? Oh, shit. Shopify is looking a lot like the SPY in the formation of its pattern here. And you do have the blue pill line. This could, okay. So it's got to break past this, and then you got the 48. Let's see if you got a level nearby. You do have a level at 33.43. Probably not worth the risk unless I see some massive momentum and ideally MACD signal line above neutral. Right now, neutral is 0.00 as it stands. MACD and signal line negative 0.15 and negative 0.18 respectively. I am probably not interested in Shopify right now. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at SPY here. What do you want? The SPY is coming on down. It's coming on down. Ooh. Okay, again, 200 EMA for the fucking win. That's all we got to tell you. And then you do have a level right here. Let's go ahead and plot this for you guys. Please refresh your browsers. If you're using TradingView on the browser, you do have a level at 31.57, okay? Now, I would not advise anybody to front run this right now. This is a little wonky. The SPY is just acting like a crazy person. I would wait for a candle below this level, okay? And then just play the trend down, okay? 25% on SPY reversal. Damn, Persa. Whoa. Okay, Roblox. Roblox. Nothing really exciting here. Again, just really following just a general pattern of the market. Not very, very excited about this play. You essentially want to see Roblox break above its 200 EMA for the RSI to go completely unhinged and make its move to the upside, okay? So, again, be careful with this one. Short the VIX 22% on BABA. Bro, make sure you give your 10% to church. All right, let's go ahead and check out Uber. Guys, we're going to see this formation pretty much throughout the day, right? It's the dominant formation of the day, okay? Let's see. Again, you probably want to see Uber do much of the same. You want to see, if you're betting on this move to the upside, you want to see a candle break above the 200 EMA, right? So, look at, if you guys made your money on the market dip and then a market rip, now all you have to do is just sit back and chill. Now, raise your hand if you already made over 1% or more on your portfolio. Can we get our hands up? Stock Banger, yep, 1%. Maverick, yep, 1%. Rose, Pepe, Sam Lee, Chocolate, Jay Styles. Oh, we got all these hands coming up. 3.69 Stock Banger. Damn, Paul. Hand, yes, okay. Both of my hands are up. Double my goal for the day. 3.2. Hey, 0.62 Rogue. That is not bad. All right. Diana up, everyone. Miguel is up. 2.42. That's what I like to see. 7.5 Stout, you animal. Unchy. You're up too. Okay. So, for those who are up over 1%, 1.82, Kevin. Mark, 1.5. 5.7, 5.67, 1.5. Algo is killing it. Absolutely. Leo, not yet? Okay. So, Leo, lesson off worst trades for you. Great, babe. Thumbs up. Good stuff. Actually, I lost a lot of money on AMC because of you. Thanks. Oh, prob. It wasn't my fault. If you can't think for yourself, then damn. I'm wondering, does your mom still wipe your ass for you? Get the fuck out of here. Anyways, Geo says, I need a play. Logan, 0.24. Look it. You're up. Vinville, 11.2. Nothing yet? That's fine. Listen, let's go ahead and be patient, right? So the reason why I'm asking you guys, if you're up over 1%, you're done for the day, okay? And let's go ahead and just bring this up here. I want to show you guys, again, for those sitting in the back and trying to, trying to just like blame me for everything wrong in their fucking lives. It's like absolutely pathetic, right? But let me just show you. We go ahead and take, let's say 10,000 compounded by 10%. If your goal is 100,000, let's calculate that. You do that in 232 days. You've made $90,000 in 232 days. That's just a little more than a whole trading year. You made $90,000 doing what? Minutes worth of work. Right? Yeah, prob is just, he's a problem, right? Persa, 9 days in the green. That's what I like to see. Keep that up, right, guys? You want to get yourself accustomed to winning, because when you get yourself accustomed to winning, then, losing just becomes like an anomaly, right? But it doesn't distort your mentals, right? You always listen, trading is 90% planning, 10% mental. But that 10%, oh, that's a big 10%, right? Accountability is a motherfucker. But going back to what we're showing you here, even if you had 1,000, people are like, but Gabe, I only got $1,000. Okay, how about this, right? This is going to take you a little over 2 years. This is money you never had before. Guys, you need to stop romanticizing the idea of becoming rich. Stop romanticizing it. You don't have to romanticize it. Stop romanticizing it and actually build the habits that will create the wealth. Because romanticizing, man, that's a gambler's mentality. Anyways, let's see. Gabe, I dealt with prob. I don't have time for idiots who don't want to listen to people trying to help them, but they keep whining. Yeah, they do. The last 10% of any project is the hardest part. Absolutely. Hit the like button, freeloaders. For the lady boys in the back, I'm trying to teach you guys something, right? You don't need to go ahead and constantly, again, just fantasize of the idea of becoming rich or have the, I'm going to YOLO because this is my one shot. Is when you have that system in place, it comes. And you know what? Guys, remember this. Anything worth having is worth working towards. Period. If you don't want to put in the work, get the fuck out of my community. And that is, I'm going to be 5,000% as blunt as possibly as I can be. I don't want you going out there like, oh, 1348 doesn't work. No, bro, you don't work. If you do not believe that anything worth having is worth working for, just get the hell out. Right? That's it. Okay, anyways, let's go back. Let's get to the tickers here. Daniel, any 1348 discounts? Actually, Daniel, you're in luck. We used to charge $96 for our Discord, and it's hella worth it. Right now, it's only $69, plus you get 2 weeks free. And chances are you go through the curriculum and you listen to us on a live stream and you follow the rules and you lean on the community who will guide you and help mold you. And you too can be a person who's printing 1.2, 3.25% daily. But just remember, you got to be serious about this because STV and myself, we dedicate our lives to making sure that you guys are successful. And we don't have to. That's the thing. We certainly don't have to, right? let's see. I was walking while watching, and oh my God, yes. They just got to watch the curriculum. Absolutely. Guys, trade1348.com. Link down in the description is also pinned up top for the lady boys. Go ahead and check it out. And yeah, let's go back to making some money. I thought I was going to 49. No, 49 is just for the OGs. If you're an OG, you get 49. If you're not an OG, you don't get 49. That's us showing our love to those who have been in this community since the beginning, all right? So anyways, Unchi made enough here to pay for lifetime. Made that contract free. Dope. Cody, waiting for some long-term stocks to sell and settle, and then I'm getting that lifetime, you sexy lads. Cody, dope. All right, Gabe, how do I refresh on the TradingView desktop? Just hit the refresh button. Following since December 2021. Ready, Gabe, what are you going to do after you print your first millionaire out of this community? You know what? I want to take that person out to dinner, and I want their story. I want their story, right? It's just, everyone has a story. There's a reason why every single one of you guys are here. And yeah, you know, like at the surface, it's money. But there's something that's going on in your lives that you're like, I need to change it, right? There's something going on. Everyone has a story. And I would love to hear your stories. In fact, I would love to hear all of your stories. But that person would get a featurette. Gabe, are we still going to get the alerts on the Discord after January? I believe so. That's an Andy question. So, Andy, if you're in the stream, let him know. Can't wait to tell you mine. I can't wait to hear it. Dave probably will be the first. I love his story too. Dave, oh man, an absolute animal. Let's see. Stout, it would have to be limited edition and diamond encrusted. Ha ha ha. All right, let's get back to the charts, guys. I know the market went sleepy. Everyone's like, nothing going on here. The market, is it creating opportunity? It's probably not. All right, we can go ahead and look at Nvidia. Let's see what Nvidia is doing. Just floating down to this level here. Floating down. Invictus, Baba. Invictus. He wakey. Haha. Maybe I gotta hit refresh. Maybe I gotta hit refresh here. There you go. All right. So we hit refresh and let's Baba, Invictus. Okay, so let's read these indicators. And for those who are sitting in the back and they're like, I don't understand options, we're gonna break it down for you, right? So at 11:11. Baba was alerted with the price of 88.35. Now you have support at 88.26 and resistance at 88.52. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this, and now we give you a structured environment as to what options you should be playing. So you have an $89 put, which is in the money, at the money. You got 88, and then you got 87, and this is for Friday, okay? This would be for Friday. You have 10 days out. I would advise give yourself as much time as your portfolio would allow. Now, let's go ahead and see. We got a cross down. Let's go ahead and check out Baba. Oops, wrong Baba. All right, here we go. So we have this level of support. I guess the EMA was acting as this level. Everything is looking pretty tighty right now for this trend, right? This potential cross down. Let's go ahead and look at the price of Baba, 88.35 at the point of alert. It is currently trading at 88.34. You are building some momentum. Now, for me personally, I'm probably looking at 87, 85, 87, 80 as a target. From there, you could go ahead and, secure the bag or protect your profit, okay? So let's see Baba come on down. Invictus, we love you. Looks like a reversal play. It has all the indicators. The VWAP is on top of the 13. STV moving stop. There you go. STV mentioned on his morning stream. Guys, you got to go ahead and check out STV's videos, man. I just love the way he plays it. Let's see. Shouldn't SPY be pulled down by Tesla 8% drop? Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Then we will come back to Baba. What is Tesla doing? Holy hell. Guys, this is a personal vendetta against Elon. You talk about just, right? Elon took a nosedive along with his stock, just his image, everything. Let's go ahead and, oh my God. Are we talking Tesla 100? Jeez Louise. Look at this. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Let's try to find some levels here on the daily for Tesla. Oh, 109.96 looks very real to me. Oh no. Let's go ahead and plot that. So now we are on the 5-minute. Let's get caught up. This is wild. Now, before we go ahead and celebrate the demise of Tesla, please keep an eye on RSI. It is completely oversold. So for a 5-minute intraday play, I'm probably not going to jump in right now. Maybe we get a retest of the 13 and the 48 and then play it down. But as it looks on the daily, Tesla has gone completely flaccid. This is no bueno. Okay, Elon sells shares. Also, Elon, why is it tanking? Duh. Let's see. Yes, we got emotional damage.
Emotional damage.
Jeez. Let's see. SGV, you're freaking savage. All right, let's check out WFC, Wells Fargo. What are we doing here on the 5-minute? Now we have a potential cross up with Wells Fargo. The only thing I'm being careful with is you do have a level right here. Now, RSI is above 50. We need to see MACD cross and break neutral. From there, you're probably going to see that 30-cent move or that 10-cent move. Don't expect Wells Fargo to move that much, okay? Edward Rivera says, to play Tesla, should we wait for a bounce since it's oversold? Exactly, you should wait for a bounce. That's exactly what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that, let's go back to Tesla. You want to see a bit of a retracement, right? We're not going to chase this down, even though I know everyone sees blood. We don't want to chase this down. We want to let it catch his breath and then just kick it while it's down. The only experience I have trading is buying and holding AMC, GME, and APE. Hasn't been working very well. I would like to learn options trading, but have no clue where to start. Gino, myself, and I'm sure the broader community would like to welcome you. Check out the link pinned to the comments, trade1348.com. We take you from zero to hero. Zero to hero. All right. Let's see. Why don't you provide it free if you want to do it for the community nowadays? Everyone shows dreams to people to warm up their pocket. All right. Why don't you work for free? Right? Actually, why don't you talk to your doctor, the one that birthed you, and ask him to birth you for free? Tell him you got a coupon. You know, that's what's wrong with the society. Everybody wants fucking handouts, right? And if you have the handout mentality, I'll tell you what, the handout and the poor mentality go hand in hand. That's it. And if it's free, you are the product. Bingo. Let's see. Let's see, Gabe, don't listen to that guy. Jesus, I know. Let's see. They got multiple people working on it too. Ooh, AMC 500K. Oh, come on, man. Let's see. Tesla is looking. I don't know, man. I would chase her down, but damn, Tesla is OMG. Oh man. Let's see. When 150K giveaway? I don't know. Is TMI still covering AMC? Oh man. Microsoft. And Microsoft is just giving us the chart of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the chart of the day. Oh man, Gabe, I took my kid to see Avatar at Epic in 3D over in Daytona. It was good. Holy shit, man. Epic over there? Oh man. That's over by Howland, right? Yeah. That Epic. Man, you're like right there. Maybe we should meet up at the gym or something, man. Yeah, you're like right there. Andrew Ashby, everybody wants handouts. I just joined a few days ago, and $69 is a steal. I've already learned so much, and the big picture. Ooh, yes, I love that. Thank you. Let's see. Clearly, no, he doesn't live rent free. I know I'm a superior trader. Anyways, let's go ahead and go. We have Evolve Beyond Discord. Yeah, we have Platform. Absolutely. I'll be in Daytona for the Rolex 24 race next month. Oh, shit. Okay, Super Show. There's nothing but Daytona there. I mean, the beach is just absolutely just decimated. So, all right, let's get some tickers in here. We got Microsoft again. Microsoft is following the chart of the day. It's probably got a continuation to the downside, right? If you jumped in Microsoft and you were deciding like, oh, I'm going to hold without respecting levels and now you're pinched, sorry to say, bro. Sorry to say. You know, you should have set your risk or respected your risk, 10 to 15% stop loss. Let's see. Andrew Ashby. Woo! Dope. Tell your buddy, thank you for the referral. Oh, look at her. Okay. So, ticker symbol LLY. You had her just rimming to 13 here. It's looking like she wants to come down. But if she comes down, where's she coming down to? Well, you do have a level at 366.33. Right? That's going to be about... Ooh, violence. I see violence here. What is she doing on the daily? The daily. Just moving along. The MACD and RSI seem to be contradicting each other at this point. But this 5-minute, that wick. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not playing this. What you know about Lollipops Daytona? I don't know nothing about Lollipops Daytona. Everyone wants handouts, but don't hand out to give handouts. Well, whatever that says. I hear nothing in TMI channel about anyone over here. Yeah, corny for that. Can we trade stocks, ladies? Oh, we do trade stocks. Yeah. So, Nate, I'm entitled to my opinion, bro. Right? My opinion is deeply rooted. Right? I'm going to ask you something, Nate. If someone stole 100 grand from you, what would you do? Right? At least where I come from, he's getting off easy. He's getting off real easy. All right, let's keep it moving. Amazon. Here we go. Amazon. Amazon is giving you the chart of the day. You got the chart of the day. Nothing really going on, guys. So we go back to it. If you're up over 1% on a day, you have no business playing. Maybe wait till 1:30, 2 o'clock for the market to wake up again, right? Oh, STV. Just let them know, man. Anyways, if you guys made your 1%, if you made your 1%, you're done. You're just done. That's it. The AR guy just applied for ambassador on the site. Dope. Ivan, Captain, approve him, please. Anyways, it is 11:25. We got about like 10 more minutes. Let's see. Can the SPY come back down to 380, please? Let's see. SPY, you just got consolidation here, man. It's you have this level, you have a level that it's got to contend with. You know, it's like if you're praying for this, then you're on the wrong side of this trade, huh, man? How do I view the market for the week? My eyes don't go that far out. Let me share something with you, right? So, Joey Lacko, ha ha ha, good one. Anyways, the thing with what we do is we don't do trend lines and we don't do any of that stuff. And actually, TA is forecasting, right? TA is all about forecasting. Now, I'm the kind of guy, right? I don't care about the forecast. I'm going to wait for the day to show its hand, right? If I go outside and I see it's raining, I get an umbrella, right? If I get caught in the rain, I keep my ass in the car until it stops, because in Florida, it rains for 15 minutes. The fact is that I try not to forecast anything and I play in the moment, and that's what makes things actionable. The minute you begin to create trend lines, wedges, and start following patterns, you create a bias. People people think that, oh, like I'm learning something, but all you're learning is a bias, right? You ever heard the term too smart for your own good? You've heard it. Everyone's heard it. When you go ahead and you digest all those chart patterns, all those trends, all those, I don't know, what was whack off, jack off, whatever that is, right? You think you're smarter than everybody else, but all you're doing is forecasting. Doesn't seem to work very well nowadays. Okay. Let's see. Holden, absolutely. We play on momentum. Parsa, you find whatever you're looking for. Exactly. So we do not play with that bias. You know what? I have to get back to you on that one. My fave, Jimi Hendrix. Let's see. No, I was just asking because he don't speak much about. It acts like there's no issues. Of course, someone's gonna act like there's no issues. They fucking walk off with a bag. I don't talk about AMC anymore. Nah. I pretty much just bash it, which I'm gonna do exactly now. Let's go ahead and look at AMC. It's rant time. It's rant time, baby. All right. So, does this look like opportunity to you? Right? Does this look like opportunity to you? Right? Are you holding on to AMC because you truly believe, right, that AMC is going to go to the moon? Or are you holding on to AMC because you're worried about becoming an outcast? Whoa. Let's really talk about that for a second, right? This whole groupthink mentality, right? People are more concerned with becoming an outcast and thinking for themselves. It's really wild, right? People don't want to think for themselves. Because they don't think for themselves, they can't make the decisions for themselves. Look at this. Come on. You can't make these decisions? Listen, guys, we're painting it for you. AMC is a tradable stock. It's a tradable stock. This put would have paid. You want to get rich? AMC will make you rich. Just not for the reasons you think. And I tell you what, everyone's screaming hedgies are fucked. You know what? Hedgies don't have just the buy button. Hedgies will go ahead and shit is so cheap. Let's go ahead and pump this up. Oh my God, a $16.89. AMC is going to the moon. Psych. Let's make money all the way down from 16 to 5.4. If you were playing options, let's see, in how many days? From August to October. August, September, October. If you went all in on AMC put side, which is against the trend, but let's say if you had 100 grand and you gave yourself just a leap, give yourself a leap or something of that sort, right? Hell, you know what? From 16 to 787 in a matter of a month. You know how rich you would have gotten? You know how rich you'd have gotten? That's it. Everyone was bullied into bag holding, right? And if you went against the community, they would have a space call about you and publicly lynch you. But you know what's really, really wild about this, right? Those people showed their characters, but yet they're still admired and adored till this day. That doesn't say anything about them. It says a lot about the people who follow them. It's nothing but air here. Nothing but air. It was never about the stock. It was, you have individuals who are just lonely, maybe, just needed a sense of belonging. Yeah, defeat the confirmation bias. So it's like, that's not something I'm wanting to do. I don't care about AMC. I care about you guys. I really do care about you guys. It's, right, 407. Can you imagine that? It cost me damn near 10 times as much as the stock price to take a family to the movies. It really sucks. It really sucks. It costs more to go to the movies than to own the movies. It just, apply that logic. Anyways, let's see. KJ, dope. All right, I gotta run too. Thoughts on Apple? All right, let's break Apple down really quick, and then I gotta run. But let's get Apple onto the 5-minute. Apple is just, again, guys, if you made money on the moves this morning and on the run-ups, just wait till the afternoon. Let's not force any trades. There's nothing here. There's absolutely nothing here. All right? It's all about securing that bag. Anyways, I'm signing out, guys. I will catch you at 12:30. In the meantime, I got to work on an emotional damage type of